Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How should we respond to thank you apart from you're welcome? In this video, we're here to introduce you to 8 other ways you can respond. Stay tuned until the end to learn all the different contexts in which you can use these responses. You are very welcome.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Very nice. Thank you, Ryan.
You're very welcome.
My pleasure.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you. My pleasure.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. No problem. Thank you.
No problem.
Anytime.
Hey, Sal. Thanks.
Anytime.
Seriously, thank you.
Anytime.
Thank you! Anytime!
Don't mention it.
Thank you.
Don't mention it.
Thank you.
Oh, don't mention it. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
It was the least I could do.
Thank you, Roxanne.
It's the least I could do.
Thank you for the lift, citizen. The least I could do, sir.
I'm happy to help.
Thanks, Spike.
Happy to help.
Thank you.
Happy to help.
Well, thank you, Grandma. Happy to help.
It was nothing.
Thank you.
Oh, it's nothing.
Believe me, it was nothing.
Thank you.
That was nothing.